So yesterday I posted a video regarding the recent changes in the arcade program, and most of you are having some of your doubts regarding the program, that what will be the changes, will it be implemented from this cohort only? All things will cover in this video. So make sure you subscribe the channel, like the video. So coming to the topic directly, that what is the changes in case you are watching this video directly. So the main changes is that earlier we used to have two cohorts in the arcade program, that is cohort 1 and cohort 2. Okay. Okay, we used to have cohort 1 and cohort 2. Now what they are doing, currently there is no update that they will merge the cohort 1 and 2, means both cohort. But as per the price counter, it used to open mostly twice a year. Okay, twice a year means for cohort 1, one time, and for cohort 2, one time. That is one time in July and one time in December or January. Okay, December and January. Now what they have done, they have merged the price counter. Means whatever points you are earning, okay, whatever points you are earning, it will be added in the final. Means you'll be able to claim the swags mostly in December. So you'll be able to claim your swags mostly in December. Now the price counter which was supposed to open in June or July has been cancelled. Now only one price counter will open in an entire year. Now I am thinking that they will dissolve the cohort system also and will be having cohort 1 only. Okay, will be having cohort 1 only. I'm just sharing the assumption. This thing is confirmed that the price counter will open once a year, but I'm sharing my assumption based on my experience in the arcade program. What they will do, they will dissolve all the cohort system and will be having only one arcade program and one arcade facilitator program. Okay, so it will just lead to increase in number of points for basic swags. Okay. Actually, the reason was that they have mentioned that due to shipping issues and maybe people claiming multiple swags, that's why they come up with this idea. Okay. Now, this is the first thing, they will just dissolve the cohort. Second thing, what will happen mostly, if they did not dissolve the cohort, then either they will just increase the price tier, okay, or they will do one thing, that they will make compulsion that if you participated in one cohort, then you may not be able to participate in the second. So this is how they can do all the things. But mostly chances are there they will just have a single cohort. They'll give you option to claim the single set of stocks. Mostly in simple words, if you want to understand, the price counter is supposed to open now in December instead of June. You have seen the recently multiple changes they have already announced, like started from this point system, like renaming the game and then removing the sprint and two-pointer game. Also, with the new change they have made, that is mostly starting from this cohort only. Like most people are thinking that these changes will take time to implement, it will implement it from the December cohort. No, it started from the day they posted. They just make changes abruptly. Okay, they just come any day with a post and just make the changes and publish it. So whatever changes, like for example, you can see now we are not able to see the two-pointer game. Similarly, they have renamed it trivia. So whatever changes they are making, they just make the changes anytime. Okay. Also, I thought that as per my thinking that they should have implemented these changes after this cohort. It would be better because only 2 months are remaining. We are already in the fourth month. Okay, fourth month games are also most people have already completed. So it should be implemented in December, but they have implemented now. So all the changes will reflect from now also. Most people are asking what will happen to the points which I have already earned, means I have earned 25 points, 35 points. It will be saved. It will be used for claiming the swags. Mostly they will increase the price counter, means price counter points. Like earlier we used to get 25 points swag. Now maybe it will change to 30, 35 or even 40. So for the price tier, it is not revealed yet. It will be coming very soon. Okay. Now they have just implemented this challenge. Okay. Now most of you are asking about this. Now about the work meet play challenge, that here they have mentioned from January to June to earn 7 arcade points. So as per the updates, you have to continue. If you have completed the badges in January, February, March, April, okay, then you have to continue the entire series till June. Mostly, I think there will be some special games, or maybe they will extend this duration. till December also. Currently, the latest update is that only they have merged the price tier only, means the price counter. And regarding the cohort, there is no any official update. I'm just sharing my experience with you. So this was the quick thing I wanted to share. Thank you. Have a great day ahead.